In this video, I'll show you how to create this modern looking restaurant website using Elementor absolutely free. Yes, you heard the right. We will be using a free CMS, a free theme, a free page builder to create this awesome website. And you don't need any prior experience of making a website. You don't need any coding language. We will be making this website just by watching this tutorial. You just have to watch this tutorial and you'll be making your own restaurant website. Alright, let's first overview of the website. Let's see how the things are going on this website. At first we have this home page. Let me click on this home logo and you'll see this cool animation which coming from this the home page. And here we have the first the header, the menu, home, recipes, about, and this contact and the social media icons. Alright, let's move on this text part. This is the main banner section. If I'm just scrolling down, you can see the cool sticky header part. If I'm just scrolling a little bit, you'll see from the white to the orange, it is automatically changing. So this is the effect, it automatically set it in the theme. I'll show you how to we can change this, how to do this effect. Okay, so let's move on the next part, that is this buttons. This cool looking buttons are with nice hover effect. We can also change the links, text, and everything will be changing just by drag and drop. Okay, now let's move on this next section, that is our blog section. This is the blog section. We will be using this theme to create these blogs, and I'll show you how to create these blogs with the images. Okay, next move on the next section, that is this recipes section. These are the actually categories. So actually these are the categories by the selling. You can also categories with the foods items that you are most selling to the most not selling items, so you can do that. And next this the app section. We can also do the app marketing section, that we can also do that. Then our safe section, this is also looking cool with the nice safe images and the social media handles. We can change everything, that image, these links and names and the tags, like you want to give this gentleman to the master chef, so you can do that also. And then you can do this assistant chef, you can do that also. Next we have our cool section, that is the video overlay section with some cool numbering effect. If I'm just reloading the page, just loading this page, you can see this cool number effect. As you can see here, this is cool, right? Okay, so now let's move on the next section, that is the newsletter section. So actually this is the MailChimp connect. So if you have your MailChimp account, you can connect with your email address, and the viewers, like your customers, whenever they put your email address here, they can subscribe your newsletter. And you can, if there is something like festivals or discount offer, you can running. So at in the first 10,000 50,000, as much like your customer at a time, you can send a mail, discount mail, right? So next we have our recipe page. Let's move on this home page, then recipes page. Actually this recipe page is came from this home page blog. Here is a blog, and if I click on the recipe, then it will come up the main recipe, actually main blog section, right? So we cannot change from here, edit Elementor. I'll show you step by step how you can do this. Okay, next this recipe page, in the recipe page we just do not have to do anything. Next move on the about section, sorry, about page. So this are the about page of this restaurant website, and if I'm scrolling down, we can see this cool chef is just our giving us impression that this food is very tasty. Okay, just reading. Now next move on the our section, that is video section. If I click on this video, it is actually playing a YouTube video. Okay, so we can do that as well. I'll show you how to put the link into this section and play this icon also. Okay, next move on this our section, that is our next shape section. Actually this is also come from the home section, home page. I'm already repeating the section. This section is coming from the home page. Okay, now this is the about section, and then again this is the cool looking video overlay, this call to action. It is the CTA section, you can say it call to action section. And this is the put overlay videos also. These are the things is not coming from the theme, so we'll put step by step how we can do that. Next we have our testimonial section, how a customer give us reviews, right? So next another again newsletter section. This newsletter section actually attached to this, you can attach with every pages. So whenever any customer scroll down the top, sorry, bottom, they can also add their email and subscribe your newsletter, right? Next we are contact page. We have a contact page. This, let's see how the contact page is things going on. You can see this physical address here, email address and the phone numbers. You can change anything, physical address, email address and phone numbers. We will do step by step. And next we have our this like accordion section. You can also, in the left side and the right side, there is one contact page. So this is the contact section where the main thing is happening. Actually this, whenever in customer needs any information or wants to contact you, or any like advertisement companies or brands wants to contact you to promote their products or anything, they can contact you through this page, like their name, putting their name, email address, subject and this comment. Also you can show it message and then click on the send message. I'll show you how to do this in WP form. So it is actually coming from the WP form. So if you can see in the top, this is the WP form section. So I'll show you also how step by step you can do this, and you can also add your own email to get these all emails, customers emails. Next we have our like in the left section, I just forgot to show you, this are the actually accordion section. If I just scroll down, if I click on this drop down, this is actually your FAQ section. As you can see it, these are the some FAQs you can add at the first impression at the contact page. Whenever any customer like commonly questions, you can also add this in the FAQs. You can do that also. Next these are the trending food section. Like these are the trending foods. You just, this actually the most selling product foods you can add in this section. So next we have our this cool footer section. There is lots of features like introduction, recipes, or say pricing plans and everything. These are the all footer section we will be creating. So without further ado, let's get started into the video how you can create this awesome website. So at first I am resetting this full website to first create live first from scratch. So I'll show you step by step. So I don't want to bore you, so let's do it first. So at first, before starting anything, I want to introduce to the domain and hosting, because you have to purchase the domain and hosting, then you can install the WordPress and do all these things. So actually this the domain and hosting I already told you about the last video, but if you are new viewer, so let me tell you that the domain and hosting, and actually the domain name is that like you are using youtube.com, YouTube, these are the domain name, and .com, these are the extensions. Like youtube.com, if you can say youtube.org, youtube.in, youtube.co, like these are the extensions. And the first cell letter, that is YouTube, and the like facebook.com, so Facebook, linkedin.com, to LinkedIn, these are the domain name. So you have to purchase your domain name as per your requirements. So I want to tell you about the Bluehost. This is the best hosting I ever seen. So you can, I'll put the link in the description, you can buy it from here. And if I click on this view plan, if you just click on this website link, if you click on this link, you will redirect to this website, and here is the interface of this Bluehost. If I click on this view plan, you will see these are the plans you can buy. First, this is the basic plan, choice plus plan, online store, and pro. Okay, so by the way, if you are in just confusing about the domain and hosting, I already told you about the domain. So hosting it about that, you can see here, this is the storage space, 10 GB SSD storage, 40 GB SSD storage, 40 GB, and then 100 GB. Actually these are the storage that is running 24/7. So you cannot come running your computer 24/7, right? But these are the cloud storage. You have to put your website in the cloud storage that is running 24/7, that whenever any customer wants to open your website, they can open it anytime. So these are the hostings and domains. Let's purchase it. So these are the plans you can buy, and it is the toggle button, that is 12 months for, and then 36 months. So if you are if you use 36 months, you will save more than the compared to the 12-month plan. but if you are, I'll show you that how you can do it. And I think if you are using first time, so I recommend it to you use the first 12 months, and if you have just budget, and then you can go for the 36 months. And if you're showing, if as you can see here, there's a basic, Choice Plus, Online Student Pro. So as you, if you are running a restaurant, so I think you need this Choice Plus plan, because here is only one website running here. So if you like, if you expand your restaurant to the branches, so you need 3 website, right? You can also expand it like 3 or more, but I'm just telling you that you can expand so in the future. So if you just buy this website, this plan, you will not expand it. You cannot expand it. So like if you just I'm recommended to upgrade this plan with this plan, so I'm selecting this, and if I just click on this start now button, you will see this page. So this is this page, and this is the domain. You have to purchase one domain, so that's why it is showing. So let's search for the domain name. So I'm writing a dummy name restaurant, and I'm intentionally putting this S because it is, I think it is available. So let's search it that it is available or not. Your restaurants, yes, it is available. And this is the first year cost, I don't know, this is something too much. So let's add this, and if I just click on this proceed, and here is all the things you have to fill up with the form. And also this is the first year cost. Actually this is the domain name, because I just choose the domain name for the, like, intentionally put the ace, so I think this is the reason actually. And then we have to put the all these things with the fill up, then we can purchase this. And I don't want to purchase this, I just show you the process how you can do that. And every tutorial also putting on the YouTube, you can search and watch this whole process how you can buy this. So let's move on our website how you can do these things. Okay, after installing and connecting with the Bluehost to the WordPress, you will see all this interface. You don't have to worry about this, all these things, messy things will be clean up all this. So let's at first click on the screen options and unchecks all these things to clean up your WordPress dashboard, because we need to, right, all we need to clean up all these things. I like it. And then we have to click on this plugin and install plugins, and you can see these are the plugins. So at first I am deleting all these things and click on delete, and then okay, this is the WP reset plugin. I am also deactivating this, I don't want to keep this unnecessary plugins, so let's delete it. And these are the page section, and this is the all pages, and I'm just deleting here. Move to trash and then apply. This is also deleted. Let me introduce to the overview of this WordPress dashboard. So we have disabled this, all these things, uncheck these things to clean up our WordPress dashboard, to clean this all these things, right? Then this is the dashboard, and this is the, if you hover over on this top right corner, this is actually your profile. So you can edit profile here, you can add your own picture, and you can change also your name and password and everything here. If you click on this, you will get the redacted page. Okay, now this is the post page, this is the post section, and then media. So actually this post are the blog post. I already show you this blog post here on the website. So these are the blog posts you will be creating here. And then this is the media, this is the WordPress media library. We'll put all the images that we use on the website, so they all are stored in this WordPress media. And then we have our pages, these are the pages we'll be using on our website. And then the comments, so whenever any customer or a viewer comments on your website, you will get all these comments here. And then this is the appearance. If I click on this, these actually the themes, these are the themes, and they feel and look of your website. They actually change the feel of your look and website. So you will install these themes, that is block C and this block C child. Let's move on this next section, this plugin section. These are the actually plugins, and this will actually these plugins are helpful. This main important thing, these are the main important feature, you can say it let's say call it plugin. These are the main things that will help you to improve your website features, functions and everything. Next we have our user section. So these are the WordPress users. You can add any user or delete and block and everything. So next move on this tool section. Here you will see like this is the WP reset plugin. I just installed it from here. So any other tools plugins, here you will get this all these things in under this tool section. Next we have our settings. So we have to do some important settings after installing theme and the plugins. We will do here. And next is the collapse menu. If I just close this, it will collapse. Okay, now let's move on installing theme. Go to this appearance, hover over on themes and click on this theme section. And here for the first time, if you are using on the WordPress, you will not see these themes. You will see like this blank. So if I'm deleting here, if I just delete this, and also I'm deleting here, so like if you are using first time, you will see this only 2021 theme or something like default theme. So you have to click on this add new button here, and one search bar will come. Here the search bar, and you have to write blocksy, BLOCKSY. You will get this theme, and hover on this theme, you will see this install option, install button. Okay, now click on this and we will wait for the few seconds. After waiting few seconds, this may depend upon on your network how the first will be theme installed and on your system. Okay, now let's wait for a few seconds, and after installing I'll be back. Okay, now our theme is now installed and we have to activate it. If I click on this activate button, now it will take some few seconds, and you can see here this the theme is now installed in our WordPress. Now if you can see this pop-up, that's thanks for installing Blocksy, you rock. Actually we are rocking. Okay, so now there's recommending that you have to install this Blocksy companion to continue with our WordPress. So you have to install it because this is actually important to import the demo templates with our images. So install it and you can enjoy the time lapse. Alright, after installing these themes and the child themes, you will redirect to this page. These are the interface you will see. If I just scroll down here, it is nothing, just these three options. You don't have to click anywhere, just click on the starter side and you will see lots of templates and themes here. You can use your own purposes, and this is our own template. This is the template we will be using for our restaurant website. And here we can click on this preview. So I'm opening in a new tab. Here you can see this testy. This is the icon. You remember that this the text with a different emoji, so different icon. I use this in the left header. So we will be using this header. You will edit that we will remove this search bar, this login and everything. We will be edit this header step by step how you can do that. And next we have our full website with all images. We can just click on one click, the everything will be imported to our website. Okay, now let's move on this part, that is import. So click on this hover. If you hover over on this testy, this is the testy name. Okay, if you click on this import button, here you will recommend this to install child theme. So click must check on this and click on next, and we have to choose our Elementor because I want to go with the Elementor. You can also go with Gutenberg and Vrizzy theme. So let's go with the Elementor and must check this all this thing. You don't have to do anything, it is default. In the default it is already checked in. So let's install this and click install. Now wait for some few minutes. Alright, after installing the Elementor and all these things, you will see this pop-up that starter site imported successfully, and now you can view your website or start customizing it. Okay, now let's click on this view site and let's see how the website is imported to our WordPress. So before clicking on this view site, I'm going to tell you that I did not show you to install the Elementor because the Elementor is recommended by this theme. So you don't have to install separately on the Elementor with this click on this add new button and everything. You can see that after installing this theme, the Elementor and W forms, this recipe card blocks, Gutenberg Elementor, this automatically installed by this theme, so we don't have to install separately. Now you can see our website is now demo imported. Let's see how the things is going. As you can see here, this is the our main header, and these are the logo, and here is our main home page. If I scroll down here, all these things I will show you in the overview. So let's start customizing it at first. Okay, we have our own all these things. So let first I am clicking on this website, and you can also click on this view site again, you will see this pop-up. So next we have our this view site. As you can see here, this is the view site option also, and you can also view from this here. If I hover over on this this home icon, this main profile icon, if I click on this view site, I'm opening in the new tab. Here is the new tab, and here we have our own website. Here, as you can see here, these are website. So if I click on this recipes, yes, recipe page is came, and about, and again this page is also coming. Yes, page is coming, also coming. And if you notice something, that these are the domain name yt.dcreato.com, and after slash these are the question mark, and the page id and 7 are equal to 726. So we did not just do this anything, right? But where it's from coming, actually these are the coming from this pages IDs. So we have to at first set the page name. So to do this, we have to go to our WordPress dashboard. So go to the WordPress dashboard, click on this WordPress icon, and you will redirect this WordPress. Okay, now click on this dashboard. Okay, so close it. First close it and disable this all these things. Now our WordPress dashboard is clean. Go to this settings, this general. These are actually the settings. We can do that, and we have to go to the permalink. Click on this permalink, and here is the post name. Must tick on this post name, and then click on the save changes. And here is the reading option. Click on this reading, and we have to select the home page as a home page. It is after installing the theme, it is already default by default setting in the home page, but I think you have to check to confirm that this home page is selected as a home. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard again and go to the page. You can see here all the pages. Here we are the all pages, and these are the after clicking on the home as a home page, this is now set in the front page Elementor, right? Next we have our this plugin section. Go to the install plugins, and here all the plugins I already show you. So, and the media, if I click on this media library, there is all the images that is used on the WordPress website. So these are the all images from the theme. So if you want to add your own image, you can also add that, and they are also stored in this WordPress media library. Okay, now let's move on this pages, and these are the all pages. So we need to customize it the step by step. So I will show you how you can do that. Let at first this home page, so we can also click on this view. I am opening in a new tab. Okay, so these are this is our home page. We can edit that, and before starting anything, these are the images. So these are the images from the theme. So when you first you just use this theme as their own website. So if you want to add like in the copyright free images, but you don't want to use these themes images, so you can use this website, that is pixels.com. Pixels.com is the copyright free best website to get all these images. If you search for food, so we will be like 1 lakh photos, copyright free photos. So you can use this as your own restaurant, for your own restaurant. Also you can add your own foods of your restaurant, so that will be the best option. But if you are starting, so you can do this as well. Next we have our this logo. So how you can make this logo? If I just if I just loading this again, so we'll see our logo. So I think for some issues the logo is not coming, so we can also see from the block C, and these are the starter site, and after just scrolling down, you will see this default. This is the logo, where it is. Okay, this is the preview. If I click on this preview, you will see this logo. So we will be making this logo in free, right? Okay, so now click on this tab. I'm clicking on this tab. You will I will refer to this website also. I will put the link in the description. This is actually the logo maker.com, but this the E is missing. Okay, let's just left it. Now if I click on the start my design, you don't have to click anywhere, just click on the start my design. You will redirect it to this page, and here if I just click on this create new design, you have our own 3 million graphics. Yes, it is copyright free. So if I just search for restaurant, if I search for restaurant, you will see all these things here. So I already used this icon, so let's skip it, and you have to drag and move here. I'm just drag and move here, and this is the black color icon. You may think that how you can change the color, so you can just change by this color wheel. So if I just changing here, you can see this easily changeable. So I will be using our theme color to use this. So how to get our theme color? One option is that I use this HTML color picker. This is HTML color picker we can get on the Google. You can search on Google that quick HTML color picker. You will get this software. So you can also install this and use this. Also one option to use this, that we need to add with the Elementor. So this is the home page. You can edit this, and here if I click on this edit the Elementor, this is the button edit the Elementor and opening in a new tab. So our Elementor is opening, yes. And if I click on this recreate kit, you have to create it. We have to create it. Click on this recreate kit, and you will see this different page. You have to use this recreate kit. You have to click on the recreate kit and then click on save changes. You have to do this process, and then I'm just back again, and if I click on this recreate kit, sorry, I just double clicked again. Oops. Next we have to click on this Elementor page. We will be redirect to this page again. Now you can see our Elementor dashboard. These are the all elements we will be using to create our website, right? So if I just show you how you can add this, before moving on the next step, we need to add our color to make the logo. So I'm just choosing from the color here. You can see this color option, color picker, this button, so we can get from the color here, right? This is the, if I hover over this button, click on this pen icon, and this will be this page. If I click on this pen icon, this will be the page. If I click on style tab, and here's the color, you can get the color also. So this is the logo we are making. If I just paste it over there, it is the color, we'll get the color. Next we have to place our text. So click on this text, and here we have to write our own restaurant name. So as I'm just writing here the theme logo name, so let's keep it. And now if I just click on this drop down, you will see this font family. So I'm selecting this Poppins bold, and if I'm drag and drop here to decrease its padding, and if I'm just increase this text name, so you will be see like this. And next I am selecting this color again. If I just click on this copy and paste it over there, so the text is also looking colorful. I think we need to increase this text also. Now it's looking good. Now let's skip it. So let's at first select all of this, and you can also deselect this. I just do it randomly. So I'm selecting this save logo icon. If I click on this, and we have to wait for a few seconds, and you will see this high resolution license files. This is actually they are recommending to pay to download, but I will show you how to the free option. If you see carefully that download raw resolution file png file, so you have to click on this text, then you will see this interface. You have to put your own email address here and click on this check icon. You don't just put the temporary email address you can also find on the Google. You have to put your own email address here, because you will get the file here. So click on this send file to email, and you will get this type of email here. So I already just received all these emails here, so I'm deselecting this. If I click on this, so here is our email. So if here is your file download, click on this download free file, and you will get this file. Okay, how to upload this logo on our website, right? You may think that how to upload this logo. Okay, now I'm just deselecting, closing this tab, and I'm refreshing this page again. Here is your website, right? This is yt.decreato.com and these are the home page. Okay, now we need to change our logo. So how to do this? If I click on this customize and opening in a new tab, okay, now it is loading here. So our website is loading here to opening the customization tab. This is not the Elementor page builder customization, this is the theme customization. So this is the page. Here we will be uploading our logo. So click on this main row, you can see the theme is now changing here. So we can drag and drop it here to change our logo. So if I click on this logo icon, you can see the logo is not selected, so that's why it is showing in blank. So I want to deselect this search icon and this login option. So let's cross this account option and search option, and here is deselected. In this logo I want to keep the logo in the left side and socials in the right side, so I want to deselect this button and socials in the right side and logo in the left side as a bottom row, right? Next we have to place the logo here. Click on this logo and we need to select the logo. So click on the select logo and you will get the download file here. So here is our downloadable file. If I click on this select, you will see the page icon is coming now. This is the logo, our logo is came. So we need to fix our height, so let's keep it to like 35. I think it's too much, so let's keep it to 30. Yes, now it's looking good. So you may think that if I'm just scrolling now, you can see the logo is vanishing because of the color and the logo. Our head sticky header background color and the logo color is now same. So we need to add some different color, so let's add it like in the white color. I think the white color is suitable, most suitable color, so let's keep it. So at first select all of this at in the simultaneously and select white. And if you may think that this is not showing, this is vanishing with the background, so you can select this and see this how the thing is going. So again we have to click on this memory card icon and this is processing again. You have to click on this again. This is the download low resolution png file, and you have to put your email address here and send file to the email. Again you will be received like this email. Okay, now close this, and if I show you, this the emails you will get, and click on this download free file. The file is now downloaded. Okay, now let's upload it to our customization. Here is a sticky state logo. You can see this is a normal logo. If I show you in the default in the home website is the test logo. If I scroll down, you will see the sticky logo here. So this is the sticky state logo. Click on this and you have to drag and drop it here, your own white customized logo. If I click on this select, and in the default you will be not seeing this logo. If I just scroll down, you will see this. After scrolling down, the white logo is coming. Okay, now it's looking cool. Let's click on this publish. Don't forget to click on this publish button after doing some changes. So let's go back to the main customization, and here you will be get all these things like changing menus, colors and everything. So we just completed about the logo section. Let's click on this menu. If I click on this, you will see this is the menu. So how you can add menu text and everything in your website. So let's go to the dashboard, and here in the appearance, hover upon appearance and you will see this menus option. Click on this menus and then you will see this menu. Okay, so these are the menus, the section, everything. So let's add some and the different text. Like if I just click on this add to menu button, sorry, if I click on this about, so just have to categories, and if you want to you can also do add some categories like salad and pizzas, and if I click on this pizzas and add to menu, so you will see the pizzas is also adding, but it is the category. So I think let's remove this. So remove it, and this is the custom link, so you have to write here. So if you write like our testimonial directly, like your customer want to see that how the how the foods are tasting. So if you are not to add this, so click on this add new. Sorry, you have to put the link, so I'm clicking on the hash for temporarily, and you will see these are the this is the testimonial is coming. So if you want to position the testimonial before the contact, so let's skip it. You can just drag and drop it here. You will see like this contact and testimonial. If I click on the save menu and go back to this website, refresh this, and we will see the testimonial is also came from the contact. So wait for it. So this is loading, and here I think some here is some network issue, so that's why it is happening. So let's go to the customer. You can see here the testimonial section is also coming before the contact section, and here the search bar also and the login has deactivated, and our logo is coming. If I scroll down, you can see the white logo also coming. Now if you want to change the social icons, so how to do that? Just hover over on this customize in this logo. If I click on this, hover on this, and you will see this bubble icon. If I click on the social, and you will get these three options, that Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So if you want to add some other social media icons, like if you want to add Discord, so click on this option, drop down and select Discord. Click on this plus icon, you will be select Discord, and after waiting some few seconds, the Discord icon is now came. So this is how you can add the social icons. And now you can also change the open links to a new tab. So whenever any customer link, click on this link, so the page also are not opening on the same tab. So I'm also selecting this, and then this is the icon size. Also you can change from decrease and increase from here. So let's keep it as 15 pixel, and this is the icon spacing. So you can also decrease and increase this. You can play around with this color, and these are the icons color. You can also do this, and this is the icon shape. So if I click on the rounded, you can see these are the rounded buttons. Sorry, these are rounded social icons. So let's keep it as a none, and we are good to go with the header. Alright, let's now move on the next section, that is this home banner section. Let's refresh this as we just do something changes, so that's why. So here is our home page. Now everything is customizable. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, now let's close this all these things, and here we go. So here we are home page. Let's click on this edit Elementor with a new tab, and after waiting some few seconds, the Elementor is loading. So here is your Elementor page builder, and here is the Elementor's bar. This is called elements bar. So you can add and delete these elements from here. As you can see here, this is the pro not pro version, so that's why it is this showing this lock option. We are using the free version. We will be using this free version only to create this full website. Okay, now let's add some page. So how to do the let's add the section. How to do any section? So click on this container plus icon. If you hover over on this, you will be select this plus icon. So add container, showing add container. Click on this add container, and here you will be see like two option, plus icon and this file manager option. So click on this file manager, and you will see like blogs, pages and template. If you have Elementor Pro, then you can use the template available here on the Elementor, but there is something like not so much, not too many templates, but it's decent. You can use this as well. So we will be not going to the option, we will be creating our new section. So click on this plus icon, click on the plus icon again, then we have to select our structure. So let's select this structure, horizontal structure, and click on this plus icon again, or else you can click on this Rubik's icon. If I click on this 6 dot icon, you will be see like this. If you want to go with the elements bar, click on this 6 dot icon, you will be see like this. Okay, now this is the Flexbox container. So how to activate this Flexbox container, let me show you. Click on this dashboard. So okay, refresh this tab, and you'll be see like this. Okay, go to this dashboard, and here you will be see this Elementor, and then settings. Go to the settings, then features, and after scrolling down a little bit, you will be see Flexbox container. So here in the default, you will be select this default. I already activated, that's why it's showing active. So that's why showing active, but you in the default, if you are using first time, it will be showing default. click on this drop down, click on activate and save changes. So your flexbox is now come with your Elementor. So you can add this as well. So if I click on this plus icon and place the container, drag and drop here, just smoothly drag and drop here. As you can see here, the flexbox container is now available to your Elementor website. So click on this plus icon and you can also set height, width, color and everything. So by clicking on this column, if I click on this column, you can see these options are now coming, like minimum height, width and everything. At first click on this container, you will be see like this. So this is the styling tab. If I just put some color, you will be better visible, you will see. So this is the our container making taking full width. So if you want to if you don't want to keep it full width, so let's select this width as J, like 1100 pixel width. So this will be taking this width, like this is the box width. So this is the column will be taking only 1100 pixel, right? So click on this edit content option. Again you want to change the color, then go to the style tab. Here you will be seeing like background colors, border, safety button, everything. So I'm deleting this color again. And here if you want to add some text, like here is the text option. If I scroll down again, you can see the element in the elements bar, text, heading, images, text editor, video, buttons, divider, spacer, Google Maps, icon, everything, so much. So let's drag and drop here on the text. Here is our text. So if I just copy this text, whole text, and if I just paste it down over there, you can see this is the text is now coming here. And if you want to add the button, so you can just by default place the button here over there. Also you can copy the button, like if you want to copy this button, just right click and then this is the copy. And if you want to paste it over there, so right over there, just right click on this and paste. You will see the button is now copied from the home page. This is so cool on the Elementor functions. So this is also so useful. So how you can add the images, so click on this container. Also you can add from the column. So click on the column all, and then style tab, background type, click on this pen icon, and here's the image. So if you want to add the background image, like suppose if you want to add this image, click on this, select, and we select this. You may think that the image is now too small height. So how to increase this height? So again click on this container, go to the layout, and this minimum height I'm giving it to 400 pixel height. And this column and the layout, here's the minimum height, I'm giving it to 400 pixel height. Now you can see the image now visible. Now you may think that how the text is visible. Text is now blended with the background. So how to visible the text? Click on this pen icon, go to the style tab, and there's the text color. So you can also make it to white, and then we have to click this container, sorry, this column, and we can add one overlay. So you click on this next, this background, this is expandable, click on this, it will collapse, and this background overlay will come. Click on this background overlay, background type, and here you will be selecting this black overlay, and I'm using I'm increasing this overlay to the 0.65. Now you can see this properly. This is the text. Also you can centerize this all these things by clicking on this column and then go to this layout, and here justify content, you have to click on this center. All these things center in the vertically. So you want to center this button, click on this pen icon and this click on alignment to center. The button will be now center. And if you want to add some text, so how you can do that? Here's the text editor elements is coming. So let's drag and drop it here. You will be see like this. Here you can add your own text and go to the style tab, and here's the typography. I'm selecting the accent, and then typography, here's the text color. Let's select this text color, and typography I'm selecting this weight to 400 normal, and then selecting this alignment to center. You'll be see like this. So if I just copy it and paste it over there for just 2 times, you can see properly how the things is going, how we can make another section from the above with the our new section. So how you can do that? So I'm not going with this section, so I'm deleting this whole container. I'm going with the our default theme. I just show you how you can add this simply easily by drag and drop this elements bar. Okay, now let's move on our recipe section and about section, testimonials and everything by step. Now how you can change the text, just click on this text and you will be see like this. Like if you want to change the like pancakes to if you want to add the pizza, so let's add the pizza. Now you can see this is simply adding this. Now if you want to change this icons and images, so hover over on this, you will be select pen icon, click on this and here you will see this choose image. If I change to click on this choose image and if I select this image and if I select this, you can see this image is now change. Now you want to see this icon, how you can change the icon. This is all actually this is the icon. Also you can change the SVG or you can change it PNG, everything you can do it. So if you want to change the icon, so like if you want to change to the circle, so click on this and insert, it will be say like this. So I don't want to change it, let's keep it as a clock. So click on this icon library and search for clock and here is your clock, so let's keep it as it is. Okay, now let's move on the next section, that is our this button. So these are actually buttons with the hover effect. So how you can change the hover effect, click on this edit column button and you will be seen like this icon. Again this is the icon library. If I click on this icon library and we select all these options, like if you want to add some cookie, so click on this cookie icon and this is the explore recipes with the cookie icons. You can also play around with the icon spacing and everything. So I don't want to keep it change, so let's keep it. And then the text will be changing like here, explore recipes. You can also explore like if you want to add explore cookies, you can also do it. And then if you want to change this cook now, so you can also change the icon, like if you want to say cook and then here is the cook icon. If I click on insert and as the now icon is now settled. Okay, let's move on the next section, that is image. So click on this image, sorry, just click on this column. So if you hover over on this, you will be select pen icon. So you can change also this image, and these are the image also you can use it. Also I already show you the pixels.com about, I already told you that you can get all the copyright free icon, sorry, copyright free images. You can also use this. So let's keep it as it is, how the things going. And this is the section I just show you. So I'm just deleting this whole container and these are the blog post. So this is coming from the blog post here. If you go to the WordPress, let's just update it. Don't forget to click on this update button after doing some changes. So let's go to the dashboard and let's see how the blog post is work. So click on this post and click on all post, and here you will see this lots of posts here already coming from the installing by default installing theme. So how you can add your own post, so click on this add new. Okay, after clicking on add new, you will be redirected to this page. So you want to add a new post. If I select just randomly, I'm tapping here this new post and select it to the publish. And then before publishing, sorry, we are not to add a feature image. So let's click on this feature image here. You want to add some images, so let's keep this image set as a feature image. And some here the blog post, here you want to choose a blog. So let's suppose if I click this blog here, paragraph, and if you want to like write just default text lorem ipsum, right, I just do it for, okay, I just do it for the use to show you how to things are working. And here I'm just copying and pasting here. So here is your text is now coming. Sorry for this kidding. Okay, now just click on this publish, and if you see, click on this view post, you will be see like a new post here with sorry, the feature image not coming here. So let's fix it. What is now coming? Okay, here's the feature image and here is our main thing block and post. So let's fix it. Here is the all these things you can also play around with this. So you can also add the main image here. Click on this plus icon, click on the image, and here click on media library, and you will see this image pizza, sorry, this chicken image here. So click on this update, and here we go. If I click on the reload button, and you will be see like this, the image is coming. So how this also you can add the blog post, the title, and the all these things and images and everything. You can also search on YouTube about any detail how you can add the blog post on the WordPress. You can do it as well. So this is the blog section. Let's keep it as it is. We don't want to customize it. And then again, this is the recipe section. This is also like you can add the blog post here, but I don't want to click on add the blog post. I just keep it as it is. And these are actually the most selling to the most not selling items. So you can categorize all of them, like pizzas and strawberries and everything, drinks. Okay, now click on this column and you go to the style tab. Here you can change the image. So if you want to change the image like this image, so let's select this, you can see the image is changed. So this is how you can create this image. And you may think that if I hover over on this, the overlay is coming. So how you can do that? This is the background overlay. Click on this and you will see this is the black color overlay. It is coming after if you whenever I hover over on this. So this is why this is happening. And if I click on this text, you will be see these are the text. If I click on 01, so this is sweets. So maybe your sweets are the most selling item, and the burgers maybe your second most selling item, and the drinks maybe your third most selling item, and again the pizzas also maybe your fourth selling item. So this is how you can rank with your most selling food items here. So next with our download app section, and here it is the image and text and just basic things. You may think that this image where is coming. If I click on this image, so it is not going to happen. So actually this is coming from the container. So if I click on this container, go to the style tab, and here you will see this image. So you can change it as well, but I don't want to change it, so let's keep it. And here is our buttons, how the buttons work. So if I hover on this, you see the cursor is not changing. So let's add some cursor. So click on this pen icon, and here is the link option. It is showing none, so we have to click on this custom URL, and we need to add some, like for suppose I'm just giving any random, like if I just https and google.com, I just randomly doing these things. Okay, and just updating this because to show you how the button is work. So just click on this reload button, reload, just let's see how the button is working or not. So scroll down, and if I click on this app store, you will see Google the opening. So that's how you can add the button. And then if you want to add a new button, so you can also do that from your this Rubik's Cube icon. Click on the Rubik's Cube icon. I already show you how to do that. And you can also change the buttons color and everything. If I just copy this and paste it over there, okay, I'm just pasting it. You can see this button is also coming. You may think that it's broken, so actually this is broken because of the two buttons also here, that's why it is broken. If you change it to the direction, you can see how the button is now perfect. So next this is the shape section. So these are the shapes. You can change their image, you can change their tags, and you can change the social icons. So how you can change it, let me show you. So click on this shape section, and you can change their image here. If I click on this, and here if you want to change the image like this image, okay, select it, you can see. And if you want to change this image, just select it over there and select this image, you can change it like this. And this is a name, so okay, click on this, and the name you can also edit them name. This is the title, and the description in the, like, you can, okay, now so this is in the same way you can change these images and everything. So now this beautiful section, how just we can did this in the, I show you in overview that how you can did this. So you can click this container, and if you click on the style tab, and here you will see this background image. Instead of background image, you will be using this video. So click on this video, and we will be using one YouTube video URL. So I already copied from our notepad, so I'm just copying it from here and paste it over there. After just putting the YouTube video link, you can see this cool coming This is the overlay, how you can use this overlay. So you will be customized how you can add this overlay. So start timing, so before the starting I'm putting the 3 seconds, so that after 3 seconds the video will start. And end time, so after this 20 seconds the video will end, and this will going on the loop. And you may think this the text is visible, but we need to more visible it. How we can do that? So collapse this background, expand this background overlay, and background type, here we will be using this black overlay. Now I'm just increasing this a little bit, like 7, and here you can see if I just collapse this element bar, you can this cool section, that is this video overlay with some counter effects. If I just show you, if I click on this update, and to see the preview you can see this eye icon, click on this preview icon, and here we will see this counter effects. If I just scroll down, and here we'll see this counters, this is the counting number with the videos and this text. So how you can change the counting number? Just hover over on this pen icon, and this you can also change this. So this is the easily you can change it. I already show you that how we can change. And this is the MailChimp. MailChimp also you can add your own connected MailChimp API key with the email address, and you can edit this. Okay, now let's move on the recipe page. Click on this recipe page and you will be directed this way. And this is actually the blog post. I already show you how you can add the blog post and everything, so I'll be not doing anything here. These are the all perfect. And about page, this is also looking perfect. This is the shape image and then text and everything. Okay, now this is the video. So how you can do that? Click on this edit the Elementor button, and you will redirect to this Elementor page. Okay, now go to this edit the Elementor page, and here you will see this play icon. Okay, now click on this column icon again, close the style tab, and here the image, this is actually image, and this is the icon is placed here. So click on this and you will be see like this YouTube URL, YouTube video URL. So you can also change here from your own video. So whenever any person click on this YouTube play video icon, so the video is now playing the pop-up. Okay, next move on this save section. I already show you in the home page how you can change this. And this is also one cool section, that is this grandma's recipes. Okay, let's add a video overlay over there also, like we did in the home page. So click on this edit container, so go to the style tab, and this is the background overlay. So I think this is the added in the column. So click on this column, go to the style tab, and yes, here is the image added. So we just click on this delete, and here's the YouTube video. So I just copied it from here, so copied it and pasted it over there. After pasting over there, you can see this cool cinematic looking this restaurant, this food making video coming in the background. So I'm selecting the start time with 2 seconds and end time with 8 seconds. Yes, I'm just selecting over there. If I just close the elements bar, you can see this is the cool effect is coming with this call to action section. So this is actually a CTA section, so you can add this video overlay also. I'm just clicking on the update button, and here you go. This is the testimonial section. You can change the text as well. If you click hover over on this, you can change it. And again, these are the info box section. If you click on this text, you can change it. If you click on this image, you can change the image, and again text also. In the same way we can change it. Next, it is the new section. I already show you. So we have our next testimonial section. Click on this testimonial, because it's not opening because we just added one hash icon slash. Sorry, I just forgot to remember you that this is the we just added a new page, that's why it's not showing anything. Click on this contact page. Let's see how we can add those things, and let's see with the edit Elementor page how we can customize it. So this is our contact page, and these are the icons we can use it. So click on this icon, and here is the location icon. You can also use this, like this is a Google map. So if I just search map, okay, search map, you can also change your map icon. Like if you want to add this map icon, also this map icon, please insert it, and you can see the map icon is now changed. Again, this is the all this text you can change the physical address. Like you can change also, like this text you want to change like this, so you can change it also. Like in the same way, this all three things also you can change it as well. Next we have our this section, according section. So this is basic things, the text I already show you how to do that, so that's why I'm jumping over the next this accordion section. Click on this accordion and you can see this is the FAQ section. You can also use this as a accordion, so you can add your commonly asked question by your customer. So the customer will not fill up the form to that, it will also waste time, that to save that your time, that customer common questions you can add here. Let's move on this contact this form. So how you can add all these things, click on this icon. I will see this only simple contact form here, because here is the contact WP contact form used in this WordPress website. So how we can add the contact form and everything, okay, let's show you. Let me show you. If I click on this WordPress dashboard and go to the WordPress dashboard, you'll be see this you'll see this WP forms. So click on this all forms and you will see all these forms here. So let's wait, yes, here is the our forms. One is newsletter sign up form and this is the simple contact form. So this is simple contact form used in this contact page. So if I click on this, you can see the simple contact form is showing here. Also here is newsletter sign up form, plus only simple contact is showing here. So we edit this. So inside this newsletter sign up form, click on this edit. Okay, now wait for some few seconds, the edit page will come. Yes, the W form is now loading. So here is the newsletter sign up form. I think we just mistakenly clicked on newsletter sign up form. Okay, now click on this simple contact form and click on edit. Okay, this is the simple contact form here, and these are the all things we can add. Also this is the elements all bar, so you can also purchase this fancy fields also to pro in the pro version, premium version. You can purchase all the WP form and add this all items, but in the blue, dark blue elements you can use it in the free version, right? So if you want to add one captcha, so you want to add one captcha on your website, so let's add this. How you can add this? Just drag and drop it here over here and it will be add like this. So actually these are the all elements. So this is the captcha is not using, because this we have to settings, click on the WP form settings. We have to first set up is, and then we can add it. I'll be show you in the later videos how you can add captcha on your WordPress website. So if you want to add your phone number, so this there is showing name, email, you want to add your phone number. So let's just drag and drop it over there and you'll be see like this numbers, and here you will see this eye icon. Actually this is a label are hidden. So if you just click on this, go to the enhance tab, and this is the hide label. If you don't want to show the label, so you can also do this. And these are the star icons actually showing the mandatory option. If I show you in the contact page, you can see if I just forget to, if I just fill up, like I'm selecting this random name. If I just click on this send message, you will be select this is the field is required, because this is mandatory. So how to show it this mandatory? This is the number element. You can see this required button here, switch button. So if I click on this, you can see the star button also came like this. So now if I click on this save and then go to the website, so after clicking on save, go to this website, refreshing this website again, and you will see this number, phone number. So we just added the phone number. So you want to add the phone number like this here, we can add this also. And if I just put down over there this mail address and everything, and like I just put randomly over there, and if I just upload the send message, you can see these are the phone numbers and everything is required, because we just set it in the mandatory. So like this you can set your own contact form. So now let's move on the footer section. Scroll down here, you will see this footer, how we can edit the footer. So if you just think that if I click on this edit Elementor, and if you scroll down, okay, now doing this, and if you scroll down, you can see you will not featured here, you will not get the edit option with the footer in the edit Elementor. You have to again go to the customize theme customizer to edit the footer. Okay, now click on this leave option, and here you can see this our website. So I'm just click on this customize with the new tab. Okay, now opening this, again we have to enter to the theme customizer, and after scrolling down you will see this footer option. Again you have to click on this edit, and you will be see like this widget area, widget 2 and everything with our main menus and everything. If I want to add some, if you want to delete this roadmap, you can also delete this. You can see the roadmap is now vanished. Okay, next this again edit option. If I click on this, you can also change this all these things by this. If you click on this widget, then you can also change this, and this is the copyright area. You click on this and then you can change it. Like if you want to add copyright by WordPress theme by this theme author, actually this is theme author name, creative themes, that's why it is showing. So if you want to change your own name, you can also do this. So let's keep it, and then these are the actually buttons. I already show you that how you can add those buttons with your links and everything. So click on this edit, and in the same way you can do the change with this footer. So after all these things change, must check this publish. Click on this publish button, and here our website again with our website. So here, as you can see here, I show you already how you can do all these things. And if I click on this YouTube Elementor button, and again to show you the responsive, but by the way, this the website is made by professional, so you don't have worry about the responsive part. You don't have to do anything. But if you want to, if you just curious about the responsive part, how to see how the things were going on, so let's see. This the beside the eye icon, there is one responsive mode. So if I click on this, you will see this bar is now came. So this is the actual desktop. This is portrait tablet view. So click on this, and you will see this the tablet view your website. So this is looking so awesome, right? And then if I click on this mobile view, you will see the theme, the this header is now changed. So you may think that I removed this search icon, so how we it already happened. So this is actually we have to remove from the this customize theme customizer. So let's see how we can do that. So let's open with the customize, and this is the thing we have to change. So you have to click on this mobile view, and here is the bottom row. If I click on this and the search icon, you have to click on this, and then the search icon will be removed. And this is the logo. If I place the logo in the left side, so now the logo is now set in the left side in the mobile view. If I click on this publish and just close it here, if I refresh this page, now you will see the search icon and the logo is now changed. If I click on the responsive mode, if I click on this portrait, and you will see the logo is now set in the left position, and the search icon is now removed. Okay, now scroll down here, you will see this all these things. I already told you that this the website is made by professionals. You don't have to worry about the responsive part. Okay, so this is how you can create your own restaurant website using Elementor free theme, and absolutely free. If you want that we make your website professionally with the coding or WordPress and anything, contact through our description box below with the link. We will make your website professionally. If you're facing an issue to create this website, feel free to comment down below. We will try to solve your problem very soon. If this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for the first notification. Thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you in the next video.